Hi guys, I'm Riley Eklund with Red Rock Refrigeration, located here in Vistancia. The question is kind of how to run your air conditioner during the summertime. If it's best to have it on a programmed thermostat, if you should leave it set at one temperature, or there's even the supercooling method. This supercooling method, I've heard a lot of people doing that. The problem that I see with that is people are turning the thermostats down too low. I normally recommend not turning it below 68 degrees. What'll happen is we'll have longer run times. System never gets a chance to shut off and relax from that. And so we'll start causing our system to ice up. If we could do a super cool at 68 degrees, normally we're doing that in the morning or at nighttime. We're running that thermostat, getting that house as cool as possible. So we're cooling down, our furniture, the carpet, the walls, cabinets, anything that has a heat load on it. We're cooling those things down. So then when we hit our on-peak hours with APS or SRP, we can turn those systems off. I think ours is at 3 o'clock, 3 to 8 is our on-peak time. So at 3 o'clock, that thermostat would be turned off or turned up to 85, and it doesn't kick back on until 8 o'clock at night. If you have a house that can hold that temperature and has really good insulation, I think that works. I think it works a lot better if people aren't in the house opening doors, moving around, running electricity and that. So if you're leaning towards that and you want to try it, I would try it for a month and then compare your electric bill from that month to the previous year that month, and kind of analyze it, see if it was worth it, see if you could live like that. I normally recommend not turning your thermostat below 68 degrees.